Yeah. There's we take it for granted, I think, that in the world of, legacy telephony, that everything just works.
Right.
And
Yeah.
we're not just talking about person to person phone calls, but really it's person to machine for automated self-service where there is no person at the other end. So they can't validate that it's working. So the carrier has to trust that the IVR is going to work. Otherwise, they're going to have the customer will have a bad experience, right?
You're right. And as you said, there are some legacy tools available in the market, but they were built, developed for a different era. You know, there are certain limitations, and you won't be able to use those legacy tools with your current infrastructure, modern infrastructure. For example, they would simulate all your calls through a centralized server or through a cloud. They might use virtual carriers and not the real carriers. So you are not replicating in-country experience for your callers. The other issues are like they might just taste the connectivity. Your numbers are connecting, but there are so many other things after number connects. Okay. You may not receive a message from the other end after your number connects. So there is a silence, nothing else. If there is an audio from the other side and the audio, those pre-recorded menus ask you to press one, let's say press one for new booking, okay? And you are pressing one, but the other system, they are not recognizing your input. Okay, and they ask you again, sorry, we did not receive any input. Press one for new booking. So this sort of issues, the legacy tools, they are not able to pick up and alert you. There are some other issues as well. They won't be able to grade the audio quality, which we can do. The legacy tools, they won't be able to generate multiple calls to load test your system. Klearcom can do that. And one last but very important point, they won't have 24/7 support team. So whenever something goes wrong, Klearcom can alert you in real time, but with those legacy tools, probably you will have to wait for a next day, your office hours to receive an email or someone reaching out to you and informing you about your issues.